Good morning, I'm Danny Wilks. I'm the Resourcing Manager for West Yorkshire Police, and this morning I'm here to talk about our relationship with WCN in terms of e-recruitment and how that relationship is developed in the almost 10 years that we've been working in partnership with them. And the interesting thing for me is that if we go back to 2006, when we first started working with WCN and introduced e-recruitment into West Yorkshire Police, at that time we were the first police force in the country to introduce an e-recruitment system. The landscape has changed since that time over the last almost 10 years, so that the original reasons that we had for needing to introduce e-recruitment were times of very high volume recruitment and the need to appoint people in a very short space of time. Since that time the landscape has changed and we've gone through the period of austerity, particularly since 2010, which has seen the demands on our e-recruitment system change from very heavy bulk recruitment of large numbers to a situation of lots of staff seeking redeployment within the organisation due to a large number of organisational change projects. We now move towards the third phase of the project, which is where we're faced with even more austerity as we await the outcome of the comprehensive spending review later on in November. The position now is that following a review of our recruitment processes, West Yorkshire Police is moving towards an introduction of lean processes, so in other words removing any last remains of inefficiency and of streamlining the processes. What that exercise has shown us is that there is an absolute need for e-recruitment in order to support the move towards more efficient processes. We're currently working with WCN in that we have undertaken a process of value stream mapping, which is a methodology of re-engineering of our recruitment processes. And as a consequence of that, we've completed a gap analysis, which is in effect is a list of things that we would like the e-recruitment system to be able to provide for us that it perhaps doesn't currently provide in order to improve our efficiency. We've now received information from WCN what's involved with that, and we're at a situation where we're hoping to work with them to improve the process and to deliver what's now required. An online recruitment system is essential to re-engineering the recruitment process, and in addition it supports a better candidate experience, which in itself reflects very well on the organisation. Re-engineering involves all the interdependencies and not just HR in isolation. The e-recruitment system with WCN has developed with us over a period of time, and one of the biggest stumbling blocks has been integration with other systems. We're now working to try and overcome some of that, and integration would be a vital part in us moving forward. The e-recruitment system has been something that's been able to grow and change to meet our changing demands and needs within West Yorkshire Police. From a period of plenty with very high recruitment when the problem was to deal with the high volume of recruitment in an efficient and an effective way, to going through a period of transformational change which is seeing reductions in the organisation and the need for staff to apply for other jobs as a result of organisational projects, to this final stage where we see even further reductions but look at full integration with our systems and hopefully automate the recruitment process as much as possible from start to finish. And this has been a relationship that we've built now over a period of almost 10 years, and we're now in a situation where the needs of the organisation and the needs from our recruitment process are something that was never envisaged when we first started this relationship back in 2006.